How to fix Facebook has stopped on Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix Facebook has stopped on Android phone. First open settings and then just scroll down until you find here apps, and now click apps again, and now just type here Facebook, and that's it. Click on it, and now click storage, clear cache, this one here, clear cache, and then click permissions. Now here you need to enable all of those permissions here. Just click on it and click allow, and that's it. Then allow all of those here, allow, and that's it. Then click for stop and go back, and now you need to restart your phone. Click restart here, and that's it for today's video. Don't forget like and see you in the next video.